Hello everyone, welcome to this session. This question I have taken from ratio and proportion chapter. Question on your screen. Divide the rupees 8,192 between Barsa and Anushka in the ratio 7:9. What is the solution? First of all, amount given. Write this one. Amount given 8,192. Right? Now we write here sum of the ratio. Sum of the ratio. Here the ratio is given 7 and 9. That is 7, 9, 16. Right? Therefore, here we write share of Barsa equal to Barsa ratio is what? First of all, you write rupees because we are dividing the rupees and put the bracket here. And Barsa ratio is 7 and the sum of ratio is 16. Then multiply by the given total amount, that is 8,192. Bracket will close. Here 16 will divide 8,192. How? You see here, don't speak. 16 5s are 80. 1 year 16 1 year 16. Then 3 as 16 2 ja 32. After that, what we will do? Here write equal sign and put rupees sign and in bracket 7 into 512. What would be the result? 7. First you write the rupees sign, then 7 2 ja 14, balance 1, 7 or 1, 8 and 7 5 ja 35. 3,584. According to the given condition, Barsa will get 3,584. Now the second one, we will calculate for Anushka, right? So here again, share of Anushka equal to Anushka ratio. First of you put the rupees, start the bracket, and the Anushka's ratio is 9 and sum of the ratio is 16. The total amount here 8,192. Just above we have cancelled how many times 16 cancel the 8192. That means 8,192. That is 512. So there is no required to again cancel it as above. You can cancel it here. If you have put up the this sign in the previous bracket, so here is no required to put the rupees sign, right? So directly we will cancel it. That is 512. Now we can write here what? That is rupees, and again you multiply 9 times 512. What you get? Here you can write, you are able to multiply it. 9 2 ja 18, balance 1, 9 1 10, balance 1, 9 5 ja 45 and plus 1 4608. Yeah, that means 4,608. This is the answer of this question, right? In the simple way, we can do it, that divide 8192 between Varsha and Anushka in the ratio 7:9. It is the first method, and the second method we can let it, right? So thank you everyone. Have a nice day to all of you.